Hey guys, sorry we haven't made a video in a long time. We had school and all that stuff, but now in summer break we're gonna be uploading more videos. Yeah!
And we're singing Adele, Sapphire's Rain.
So here we go.
Yeah. Alright.
Like it, subscribe it, comment.
And give the love to people.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet.
But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say, they were never true, and the games you'd play, you would always win.
But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touched your face. Let it burn while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
Laying with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better.
'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you said, they were never true, and the games you played, you would always win.
But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
I set fire to the rain, and you threw us into the flames. When I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time,
Ta-da!
Hope you guys liked it.
Comment, subscribe, like, and give up love.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
See you guys later. Love you, always and forever.